Hey investors! Before we dive into today's exciting review of Coinrule, make sure to click the link in the description below to get your discount. Alright, let's get into it. So, you're curious about Coinrule, huh? Is it legit? Can it really help you manage your crypto investments better? Let's break it down. First, what exactly is Coinrule? Simply put, Coinrule is a platform that allows you to automate your cryptocurrency trading. Think of it as your personal trading assistant. You set the rules and Coinrule executes them automatically. No need to be glued to your screen 24/7. Now let's talk about the key features. Coinrule offers a wide range of strategies that cater to both beginners and advanced traders. Whether you're looking to protect your gains, take advantage of market volatility, or just hold for the long term, Coinrule's got you covered. Plus, you don't need to know any coding to get started. It's all point and click. Security is a big deal, right? Coinrule takes security seriously. They use API keys to connect to your exchanges, meaning they never have access to your funds directly. Your assets stay safely on the exchange, and they offer two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection. Now, you might be wondering about the cost. Coinrule has several pricing tiers, from a free plan with basic features to more advanced plans for power users. The good news? If you click the link in the description below, you'll get an exclusive discount. But is Coinrule really worth your time and money? In my experience, it's a game changer. The ability to automate your trades can save you a ton of time and help you capitalize on market opportunities you might otherwise miss. Plus, the community and support are top-notch. There's a vibrant group of traders sharing strategies and tips, which is super helpful. In conclusion, if you're serious about crypto trading and want to take it to the next level, Coinrule is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to get your discount. Thanks for watching and happy trading. Catch you in the next video.